Let's be honest, crypto is not the easiest thing to get started with. You need to create a wallet, remember these 12 to 24 random words, carve them into a fireproof steel plate, figure a way around this confusing thing called MetaMask, learn about gas, priority fees, chain configuration, DEXs, and didn't mention all these scary scams and hacks lurking in every corner of the world. Gosh, why can't crypto be as easy as just sending a message? Well, this right here is the premise of the latest cult that has graced the crypto space, Telegram bot coins. Now, imagine if you could create a wallet, buy and sell tokens as easily as just sending a message on Telegram. Literally, that's a Telegram trading bot. The problem with crypto is the terrible user experience. Now, instead of trying to decipher the UI of DEXs and wallets, you can easily perform all your trading needs with just a single command sent on Telegram. Fast, easy, convenient. The leader of this Telegram bot pack is undoubtedly Unibot, which allows users to trade on Uniswap via Telegram. At the time this video was made, Unibot tokens have shot up 380% in just a single month, and analytics also show that active users have been rapidly climbing. In fact, Telegram bots is such a huge phenomenon that a whole subgenre of crypto has been spun off, inspiring many similar projects like WageBot, which is another trading bot, and LootBot, which automates airdrop farming, that are also riding on similar success. And if you're thinking, I'm a battle-hardened OG crypto veteran, I don't need a bot to hold my hand. Well, you may want to think again. Unless you can already execute multiple transactions across multiple wallets simultaneously with just a single click, you want to stick around and learn more, and that's just one of the many features. Okay, first, let's go over the very basics. To begin, we need to first open up the Unibot Sniper _bot on Telegram. Once you're in, click Start. And just like that, with just a single click and mere seconds, you've created 3 brand new wallets for you to trade with. Meanwhile, your old school friend is probably still creating a password on MetaMask on the first of many pages to come. To start trading on Telegram, we need to send some funds to at least one of the wallets, which can be easily done through centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, or with one of your existing wallets. And just like other wallets, you can also choose to export these wallets and their private keys to be used on MetaMask, for instance, or import your existing wallets to trade on Telegram instead. Once you've uploaded a wallet with funds on Unibot, you're ready for the fun part. To start trading, click on Buy Token, and a menu will appear that allows you to input the buy amount and slippage. You'd also notice that there is a Select Wallets section that lets you toggle the wallets used. This right here is one of the many features that makes Unibot so powerful. Should you wish, you can select all 3 wallets, and all 3 wallets will be used to trade all at once. Once you're ready, paste in the token address, press enter, and voila! You're now the proud owner of a new coin in all 3 wallets. Just make sure that you have the right token address, which can be found and copied easily on CoinGecko. Selling tokens is also just as easy as buying them. Simply select the sell amount, slippage, and type in the wallet number to be used. For instance, typing in 123 here means that you'll be selling 100% of all the tokens from all 3 wallets at a 10% slippage. These Telegram bots can also do a lot more than just buying and selling tokens. Here are some of the other features that they have. Private transactions, which can help avoid sandwich attacks that result in a higher cost. The trade-off is sacrificing a bit of speed for your transactions. Mirror Snipe, which lets users copy, trade, and front-run other users. Token Value Monitor, that informs you of any price shifts, allowing you to act accordingly. Limit Orders, that let you buy and sell tokens automatically at a predetermined price. Revenue Share, while not exactly a feature, is what lends utility to the Unibot tokens. Unibot holders are entitled to receive 40% of the total transaction fees, as well as 1% of the token trading volume. Holders can also generate a referral link that lets successful referrers receive receive 25% of transaction fees from users who use the link, as well as a 20% discount off their transaction fees. These features, which are not natively available on many dApps, plus the ease of use, is what makes Telegram bots so appealing to even veteran users. Other bots like LootBot and Bolt, while performing other functions, also work similarly to Unibot in terms of how they can be operated solely through Telegram. But like all things, it's not all sunshine and roses for these things. The rising interest in Telegram-based trading bots have also sparked concerns about their security. To make trading accessible, these Telegram bots create the wallets for you. Now, you saw how fast it took to create 3 wallets. Oh, and the sacred private keys that should never be shared, well, they're held on the platform. Because of this, trading is made a lot faster and simpler since the bots can now authorize transactions on your behalf. However, this raises the question of self-custody. You know, the entire reason why crypto exists in the first place. And remember, importing your existing wallets also means sharing your private key with the platform. So who's to say that these platforms will be secure? One data breach or hack, and all of your on-chain fortunes could be wiped out. So make sure to take necessary precautions. So Telegram bots make crypto much more accessible and beginner-friendly, paving the way to wider adoption. Now, there are valid security concerns, but good practices like using it as a secondary wallet with limited funds and never linking your main wallet to the platform can let you enjoy all the features while limiting your vulnerability. And like many other hot trends in crypto, expect many copycats, rugs, and malicious acts coming from Telegram bot coin space. Remember to always DYOR and stay safe. If you want to learn more about crypto wallets, well then check out our previous video right here.